want to introduce you to my friend Shadow. She was abandoned. We found her and we're going to take care of her and bring her back to health. Hold on, let me get her. Shadow! Shadow! Shadow, where are you? Where are you, Shadow? Wait, okay. Here comes one of my friends. Oh, hello. Have you seen Shadow? I think she's coming. I hear, oh, here she is. Hello, Shadow. How are you? How are you? We're here as your friends, huh? We're here as your friends. How are you today? Oh, ow, oh, ow, 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 hold on. I love to play with you. You are so much fun. You are so fun. No, I can't hear you. Got my ears. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Okay. That was really fun. Now I'm going to say goodbye. Come on. Hey. Hold on. Come play. We love Shadow. She's such a good dog. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, we gotta go. Bye bye.